A good light is vital for crisp GoPro footage in the dark. Top picks range from the compact 200-lumen GoPro Light mod to the powerful 10,000-lumen Abyss 10,000, with versatile budget options like Suptig. The best choice depends on your need for portability, extreme brightness, or waterproofing. Starting at number 1. Suptig Diving Light Waterproof. Compact, waterproof to 147 feet, and packing 500 lumens of wide-angle illumination, the Suptig Diving Light is a versatile, lightweight companion for any action camera, from GoPro Hero 13 to DJI Osmo and Insta360. Its 36 LEDs deliver bright, even coverage perfect for night dives and snorkeling, while 3 selectable modes, high, low, and SOS, let you adapt to any situation. Powered by a removable 1050 mAh battery that runs up to 4 hours on low or 1.5 hours on high, this little light offers reliable performance without the bulk, making it an excellent budget-friendly choice for capturing crisp underwater POV footage. Number 2. VidPro Mini LED M52 Video Light. Compact yet powerful, the VidPro Mini LED M52 Video Light Kit is a highly versatile lighting solution that works seamlessly with action cameras, smartphones, and DSLRs alike. Its 52 daylight balanced 5600K LEDs deliver bright, even coverage up to 50 feet, with a convenient 4-step dimmer allowing precise adjustments from 25% to 100% brightness. The built-in USB rechargeable battery keeps it running for up to 2 hours, while the included mounting hardware, covering GoPro, smartphone headphone ports, and standard hot shoes, ensures it fits nearly any device. Add in dual 1/420 tripod sockets for portrait or landscape orientation and an IP65 splash-resistant build, and you have a rugged, all-in-one kit perfect for on-the-go creators and vloggers. Number 3. Neewer 12 SMD. Perfectly sized for on-the-go creators, the Neewer 12 SMD LED Mini Video Light packs impressive performance into a pocket-friendly design. With a high CRI of 95+, it delivers accurate, natural-looking color, ideal for Zoom meetings, remote work, YouTube videos, and live streaming where skin tones matter. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 1.5 hours of continuous runtime, and USB charging makes it easy to power up anywhere. Lightweight, compact, and clip-on ready, this little light is the ultimate affordable tool for elevating your video quality without cluttering your setup. Number 4. VILTROX 15W LED Video Light Panel. Sleek, ultra-thin, and surprisingly powerful, the VILTROX L116T LED Video Light Panel is a versatile on-camera light that punches well above its weight. With a wide color temperature range from 3300K to 5600K and brightness adjustable from 20% to 100%, it adapts effortlessly to any shooting environment, from warm indoor portraits to cool outdoor fills. The high CRI of 95+ guarantees true-to-life colors, while the honeycomb diffuser surface delivers soft, even illumination that's easy on the eyes, perfect for photographing family, pets, or little ones. Weighing just 260 g and only 2 cm thick, it slips easily into any camera bag, and the built-in LCD screen clearly displays brightness, color temp, and battery life. Add in the handy memory function that recalls your last settings, and you have a reliable, user-friendly light ideal for studio work, video recording, and live streaming alike. Number 5. GoPro Light Mod Official GoPro Accessory. Designed specifically for the GoPro ecosystem, the official GoPro Light Mod is a compact, rugged lighting solution that delivers up to 200 lumens of brightness across 4 adjustable levels, perfect for adding crisp detail to your low-light footage. Built tough and waterproof down to 33 feet, it's ready for any adventure, whether you're diving, hiking, or vlogging after dark. The built-in rechargeable battery offers an impressive 6 hours of runtime, and its versatile design lets you use it standalone, attached directly to Hero cameras via the Media Mod, sold separately, or mount it to any GoPro accessory for ultimate flexibility. Lightweight, durable, and seamlessly integrated, it's the ideal companion for capturing professional quality shots in challenging lighting conditions.